right now the trend for smoothies is functional ingredients. And so in this smoothie, we have raw turmeric and raw ginger in here. Really great flavor. Really dynamite spice that you put to the smoothie, and that refreshingness that you get when you're blending with this. This is such a super easy smoothie, but we really, it's packed full of fruit. You can add some vegetables to it if you wanted to, but we'll talk a little bit about this. This is a recipe from one of our raving fans, Terry Eschels. She uses this smoothie to really help give to her children. That's one of those great things about the story is like, as we got these recipes in from folks, I was, just enamored with everybody that was like, hey, I use this for my weight loss. This has brought me along this journey where, one gentleman lost about 100 pounds and he used a papaya smoothie every day. Like that was his regime. And that's what allowed him to really make sure he got his goal. With Terry, this is all about how she provides for her family and really goes into talking about, my kids will eat it, my kids will drink it. And so, we always talk about our starter smoothie. Our starter smoothie is a green smoothie. It's called the Intimate Smoothie.